Never seen someone drive a Mazda and thought to yourself, why is he so much better than me? On this episode of Matthew's Electrician Vlogs, we're going to be putting some more wires in. First thing you're going to want to do is stick this screwdriver inside here to make sure it's dead. It's dead.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Hopefully it's not too windy for y'all, but obviously it doesn't like I'm at my place. If you watch the channel, man, it is windy. I hope it's not windy for y'all. But right now I'm at the area that I'm working at right now, which is not where I live, so I gotta drive pretty far and I stay down here for work. But right now I'm doing circles because the dog is trying to find the perfect spot to drop his load. But I just want to go ahead and start the vlog here. We're about to head out of here and head back to the crib and have a good vlog this week. I'm not really sure what I got planned for this video. I don't really know. I'm just kind of starting it off, see where it's going. But anyways, guys, we're going to head out here. Coda's doing his business. Load up. Good boy. Insert key to start awesome weekend. Check. That dog loaded in the back, foaming like crazy. Check. Oh my god, you jackass! I got my fucking camera wet. So obviously, guys, we playing with this little boat that Matthew keeps splashing me with. This little boat. It's not even mine. It's for a little kid, but it's technically mine now because I played with it more. Alright, we're gonna see how far it can go. And Matthew can drive it straight. Last time he did this, he drove it into the fucking shore and hit a rock.
It has a bumper on it. I'm gonna use the bumper.
Dude, that is insanely far. That's like more than 100 feet out. Is that max?
Yeah, because it's beeping at me.
Oh!
Watch it stop though, just watch. Oh!
Oh shit! Hey Matthew, you're a little smoky. Oh my god. That's minty.
Runs like shit. You got a bunch of bad gas in it.
Here, show where the exhaust is broken off at.
That's broken in half. My finger broke again, god dang. So right there is where the exhaust is not exhausting the air through the hole anymore. So basically we need some weight reduction.
Like barely any exhaust coming out of there.
Nothing. 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 The exhaust is not doing exhausting things. There is spider webs everywhere. Never seen someone drive a Mazda and thought to yourself, why is he so much better than me? Well, I'm here to tell you why he is. Number one, your truck ain't got a bunch of hose in it. You know? Hose. You know, there's two different types of hoses in here. You know what I'm saying? Second off, your vehicle also probably doesn't have a drain plug. The Mazda doesn't either because this is from a Yeti cooler. But it does have tires. Got a bucket tires. tires are better than regular. The bed, when you're done, you know, getting drunk and sleeping on the porch, you just throw your trash in the bed. Number two, if you lock your keys in the truck, you just, you know, go through the old door right there. That's the one I usually go through anyway. Don't ever have to spend money on exhaust work, because there isn't one. You know, motors in here, just doing motor things. Yeah. That's about it. It has no steering under it, but it doesn't need steering when the front tires are never on the ground anyway. That's about it.
Alright guys, well, we're just chilling out right now next to the fire. Matthew's on his way back down here. He's letting his dogs run around. But we're gonna go ahead and continue on this vlog tomorrow. It's been kind of jumpy, but I mean, I got a lot of shit going on this weekend, but I mean, that's just kind of how it is, you know? Sometimes you just got a lot of shit to do and so little time, and that's where I'm at right now. A lot of shit to do, so little time. Anyways, tomorrow.
We're gonna take this off. Basically what we're doing is we're running this new wire. We ran it through the ceiling.
Basically what he's trying to do is commit arson.
We're gonna plug the kegerator in here. Don't talk about what I've done, haven't done. I don't need the feds coming after me again. Anymore. Not, they didn't, but if they were to. I really hate working above my head because all your blood comes out of your arm.
Too sure if I should be worried or excited right now.
What, that I'm wiring your house?
Yeah.
I'd be worried. And that's coming from the guy wiring your house. What's your confidence level in me?
Oh, slim to none.
Son of a whore. I should have shut.
Oh, you forgot to put it in the box.
Well, I forgot to put it in the box, and I have to like kind of cut off some of this shit. Cause like, do you see how full that box is?
Oh yeah. So I think that's gonna do it for today's vlog. I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna go do some streaming. I gotta do some stuff. Just make sure I'm ready for work if I gotta work tomorrow. I'm not sure cause it might rain. Kinda hoping it we don't have to work so I can edit this video up and get it out on Wednesday again. I hope you guys like this video. Plan on trying to get more into this vlogging stuff again. Kinda like how I used to, where it was pretty often. We'll see how it goes. I'm at least try to shoot for trying to do like a vlog every now and again throughout the whole entire summer, at least till winter time. And if it's still doing good, I'll keep going on through with it. But I'm gonna go run a stream. If y'all wanna go check that out, like I said earlier, link in the bio if y'all wanna go check out the stream. But anyways guys, hope you guys liked today's video and are happy the vlogs are back in motion again. Got a good vlog planned for next week. It's gonna be my buddy's birthday, so we're gonna be getting it. But anyways guys, see you guys later. Remember to like, comment, subscribe.